Okay guys, what we need to do to start is we're going to open up a new project in Premiere. We're going to title it Green Screen Practice. Make sure when you're saving this that you're saving it to your H drive. I'll pretend like this is my H drive, and at school you should have a TV video folder and a Premiere folder. Make sure that you're inside of that folder and that you're selecting that folder to save all your work. Click on OK. While that's loading, if you go back to the Google Classroom, you're going to go to our very top assignment in Premiere, how to remove the green screen. I need you to click on each of these, the picture and the announcement, and we're going to download both of them. So once you open them up, make sure you remember to click on the download arrow, download anyway if this pops up, and do the same thing with the picture. If there's not an arrow here, remember, click on the three dots, open a new window. Whenever it loads, download that. Okay, once those are both downloaded, go back to Premiere. Click on File, Import. We need to add both of those files. Here's our logo. Here's our announcement. Okay, so for each week, here's what happens. We record the announcement. I'm going to click this. I'm going to drag it over. Once we record the announcement, we have this green wall or green background. We need to take that green wall and background and we need to change it to something, well, something better than the green wall. Here's how to do that. If you can come up to the top of your screen and click on Effects and let that load up for a second here, we're going to get our effects panel. The effect that we're looking for is called Ultra key. U-L-T-R-A. As soon as you start to type in the word Ultra, it will pop up. We need to click and drag this effect onto the video and let go. Now it might not look like anything happens, but we've added that effect there. The next thing you're going to need to do is click on the video and drag it up to video 2. What we're going to do now is put our picture or our logo underneath of our video. I'm going to drag it out so they're both the same size. Let me see how big this picture is. Super small, just like I thought. If that happens to you guys, right click on the picture of the school logo and you can click scale to frame size. That's a little bit better. We can go back and change that later. I'm going to put that back on the bottom again. Okay, we're going to click on Hayden in the green background. We're going to go up to our editing tab. Click on that. What we're looking for over here on this side of our effect controls, if effect controls is not selected already, just click on effect controls. All we need to do is find this eyedropper. Click on the eyedropper. It was originally black. We just need to go up to the wall and click on the green wall. Okay, now what we've done is we've removed that green and we've put in, or we can see through it to our picture that we already placed on there. Okay, for today, that's great. If you want to go in and adjust some specific things in here with the background, like the transparency, we can see through him. Okay, if we want to tweak these around, we can adjust these if needed. Okay, but for today, I need to see that you can remove the green screen. You can put in our logo for the school. And then one last thing, I need you guys to practice with your text tool or your type tool and click on that. And for everybody's name, we like to put it in one of the bottom corners. Okay, so select that. And then you can place this name wherever you would like. You can go over and you can change the font size, and that type of thing. When it's done, you're going to save it by clicking File, Save As, save it to the correct folder. You're also going to practice the last thing we talked about in the last class, which was exporting. Okay, and you're going to export it to the same folder in your H drive. Okay, good luck.